Can I actually make $14,000 in just 30 days using only dropshipping? This question has been on your mind for a while, and you're probably thinking it's too good to be true. Versus reality, green check, clear contrast. The truth is, it's not a myth. It's a reality that many have achieved through something called pure dropshipping. Pure dropshipping is a method where you sell products without holding any inventory. You partner with a supplier who ships products directly to your customers. This approach allows you to focus on marketing and sales without the hassle of inventory management. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a proven strategy that requires dedication and the right approach. Many people have achieved significant income through pure dropshipping, and I'm here to share my experience with you. Making money online can be challenging, especially with dropshipping. Many people try and fail, often due to lack of knowledge or unrealistic expectations. Some think dropshipping is dead or that it's too competitive, but the truth is, with the right strategy, you can still succeed. People often struggle with finding the right niche or products to sell. Quick focus hint for 3S. They might set up their store incorrectly or use ineffective marketing tactics. Others may not understand how to handle customer service or deal with suppliers. These challenges can be overwhelming, but they don't have to be. The biggest misconception is that you need a lot of money to start. However, you can start with a small budget and scale up as you grow. Another challenge is finding reliable suppliers and negotiating good prices. But with the right approach, you can overcome these hurdles. To achieve $14K in 30 days, I started by selecting a profitable niche. I looked for products with high demand and low competition. I used tools like Google Trends and social media to find trending products. I then found a reliable supplier who could provide high-quality products at a competitive price. I set up a professional-looking store using Shopify and customized it to appeal to my target audience. I created engaging content and used effective marketing tactics to drive traffic to my store. Sped to 105%, 1S black frame start. My marketing strategy involved a combination of social media advertising and influencer marketing. I targeted my ads to specific audiences and used lookalike audiences to expand my reach. Energetic, polished. I also reached out to influencers in my niche to promote my products. The key to my success was a specific marketing hack that I'll share later. It helped me increase conversions and boost my earnings. Shown slightly sped to 105%. I also optimized my store for conversions and used email marketing to nurture my leads. As I received orders, I focused on providing excellent customer service. I communicated with my customers and ensured that they were satisfied with their products. My supplier handled the shipping and fulfillment, allowing me to focus on marketing and sales. The secret sauce that significantly boosted my earnings was a specific marketing tactic. I used a combination of Facebook and Instagram ads with a unique targeting strategy. This approach allowed me to reach a highly engaged audience and increase conversions. To implement this strategy, you need to focus on finding the right products and targeting the right audience. You must also be willing to invest time and effort into marketing and sales. With dedication and the right approach, you can achieve similar results. The key takeaways from my experience are the importance of niche selection, product sourcing, and marketing tactics. You must also focus on providing excellent customer service and optimizing your store for conversions. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of success with pure dropshipping. In summary, making $14K in 30 days with pure dropshipping is achievable with the right strategy. It requires dedication, the right approach, and a willingness to learn. I'm confident that you can achieve similar results if you follow the steps I shared. If you want to learn more about pure dropshipping and how to succeed, subscribe to my channel for more tips. Leave a comment below with your biggest challenge, and I'll do my best to help. Check out my other video on advanced marketing strategies for even greater success.